Your garden beds are fighting back. Every time you turn your back, weeds pop up like they own the place. You spend your weekends pulling, weeding, refreshing mulch, and honestly, it's exhausting. But what if there was a smarter way? What if the very thing that stops weeds could also make your garden absolutely beautiful? I'm Sam from Seniors Gardening Advice, and today we're talking about something that changed how I garden completely. These are living plants that do the work of mulch, but they're actually gorgeous while doing it. They spread, they bloom, and they make your garden look intentional and full of life instead of covered in boring brown bark chips. If you've been struggling with endless weeding, stick around. And please, if you find something helpful here today, hit that subscribe button. Share this with friends who are tired of the weeding game too. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try. That feedback really matters to us here at Seniors Gardening Advice. Why ground covers beat traditional mulch? Before we jump into the specific plants, let's talk about why this approach actually works. Bark mulch does its job, sure, but it has problems. It washes away with heavy rain. It needs replacing every year. And honestly, it looks like you just dumped brown chips in your garden. That's not pretty. Living ground covers work differently. They're plants that spread low to the ground, creating a thick blanket over the soil. This blanket does three critical things. First, it blocks sunlight from hitting the soil, which means weed seeds can't germinate. Second, it holds moisture in the ground, which is especially important during hot months. Third, these plants actually look beautiful while they're protecting your garden. The best part? Once they're established, these ground covers basically maintain themselves. You're not constantly buying new mulch. You're not spending every weekend pulling weeds that magically return. Instead, you plant them once and they work for you year after year.
Flowering ground cover number 1, Dianthus tiny rubies. Let's start with a real classic. Dianthus tiny rubies is a compact plant that creates what looks like a soft green carpet across your garden bed. The foliage is evergreen, which means it stays green and protective even in winter months. Here's what happens when spring arrives. The entire plant erupts in tiny pink flowers. We're talking about flowers so dense they look like pink confetti scattered across the plant. It's one of those moments where you step back and think, wait, I actually created this? What makes tiny rubies so special as a living mulch is how tightly it grows. It only reaches a few inches tall, but it spreads steadily and creates this incredibly dense mat. That dense structure is the real superpower here. Sunlight never reaches the soil underneath, so weed seeds never get a chance to sprout. This plant stays neat and organized without being invasive. Some ground covers take over everything. Not this one. You can plant it along pathways, in rock gardens, along sunny borders, or anywhere you want that soft pink color doing double duty as weed control. Try pairing tiny rubies with creeping thyme or Veronica. You create layers of different colors and textures, and suddenly you have a sophisticated garden instead of a mulched bed. That's the real value here. You're replacing boring with beautiful.
Flowering ground cover number 2, Mazus reptans. Now, if you want something that fills in fast, and I mean really fast, Mazus reptans is what you plant. This is one of the quickest spreading options available, which is perfect if you want to see results quickly and don't have patience for slow growers. The flowers are tiny and lavender blue, appearing in late spring. When they bloom, the whole plant looks like a cheerful carpet of color. But here's the thing. Mazus spreads so densely that even a small plant you put in the ground turns into a solid mat of coverage faster than you'd expect. This plant stays under 2 inches tall, which is incredibly short. That means it won't compete with other plants visually. It spreads gently along the surface without becoming invasive or taking over spaces where you don't want it. This is a real advantage if you're working in tight spaces or areas where you need controlled growth. Mazus absolutely loves certain situations that other plants hate. It thrives between stepping stones, along pathways, and along edges of beds where regular mulch tends to wash away during heavy rain. It forms such a dense mat that literally cannot push through it. What surprises people is how much better Mazus holds moisture in the soil compared to bark mulch.
Mulch can dry out or get pushed around by water. This plant keeps the soil consistently moist underneath, which means less watering for you in hot seasons. Plant Mazus beside rockwork, under shrubs, or as a soft filler along bed edges. It becomes one of those plants where you eventually think, why didn't I plant this years ago? Please share this tip with your gardening friends if you try it. Drop a comment below and tell us where you plant yours.
Flowering ground cover number 3, Veronica Georgia Blue. Here comes something special. Veronica Georgia Blue is a fast-spreading plant that delivers something every garden needs: bright blue flowers exactly when you want them most. In spring, when a lot of gardens still look sleepy, Veronica starts blooming. The flowers are dainty and delicate, creating this soft, sparkling layer across the soil. In cooler months, something interesting happens with the foliage. It takes on a reddish-bronze tint, which adds unexpected depth and color even when the flowers aren't blooming. What's amazing about Georgia Blue is that it creates this low, airy mat that feels natural and effortless. Even in small or narrow spaces, it somehow makes everything look intentional. This plant hugs the ground tightly and fills in quickly, which is exactly what you need for suppressing weeds before they even start growing. The growth habit is controlled and compact. It spreads gently without becoming unruly or aggressive. You're not fighting against the plant, it's doing exactly what you want it to do. That's rare and valuable. In the landscape, Georgia Blue works almost everywhere. Tuck it between stepping stones for unexpected color, fill gaps in borders where you used to see bare soil, let it cascade gently over walls or edge definition. It creates a polished, cohesive look with basically no work from you. Pair it with creeping thyme or Dianthus for texture and color variation, or use it as a cool-toned carpet beneath taller plants that bloom later in the summer. Either way, you're adding continuous color, while this ground cover is quietly doing the work of traditional mulch. It covers the soil, conserves moisture, and keeps weeds completely under control. This is one of those plants that new gardeners and experienced gardeners both love. If you're looking for something low maintenance that delivers real visual impact, Veronica Georgia Blue is worth trying. Subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice to see more plants like this one.
Flowering ground cover number 4, Campanula Birch Hybrid. Moving along, we have Campanula Birch Hybrid, a charming flowering plant that creates a soft carpet of violet-blue bell-shaped flowers in spring and early summer. These aren't aggressive flowers, they're delicate and refined, which is exactly why gardeners love this plant. Its growth habit is gently mounding. It doesn't spread aggressively or take over neighboring plants. Instead, it creates this controlled carpet of color that transforms dull borders into something bright and full of movement. Even a small patch makes a surprising difference in how your garden looks. What makes this a strong living mulch option is something you might not immediately notice: the dense foliage layer. This foliage hugs the soil tightly, which does two important things. It shields the soil from intense heat, which is important in hot climates, and it naturally blocks weed feedlings from pushing through. The plant usually stays just a few inches tall, yet it fills space with this refined cottage-style charm. Your garden doesn't look wild or overgrown. Instead, it looks like you planned every detail carefully. That's harder to achieve than people realize, but Campanula makes it simple. Whether you drape it over rocks or weave it along bed edges, the tiny bells pull the whole scene together. It works beautifully along pathways and in rock gardens. Place it at the front of borders, where those delicate flowers can spill gracefully over the edges. This plant thrives in full sun to partial shade, which gives you flexibility about where to plant it. It appreciates well-drained soil just enough to stay healthy without demanding rich, expensive soil or constant attention. Easy, pretty, and reliable. That's exactly what we want from our ground covers. It pulls double duty as both mulch and decoration, which is the whole point of this approach.
Flowering ground cover number 5, Alyssum Snow Princess. Here's something that might surprise you. Alyssum Snow Princess is often treated as an annual, something you plant once per year. But in warm zones, it actually behaves like a true perennial, coming back year after year and spreading into a fragrant living mulch that brightens everything around it. This plant blankets the soil in soft, cloud-like clusters of white blooms. The texture is fine and delicate, which gives your garden a certain sophistication. But what's really special is that Alyssum is incredibly fragrant. You'll notice a sweet smell in your garden, especially in evening hours. Even a small planting fills in fast. You're not waiting years for coverage. Bare soil becomes a neat living mulch layer within one season. This plant grows quickly, blooms continuously without stopping, and doesn't require rich soil or constant attention to stay lush and healthy. Once established, it forms this dense floral carpet that helps cool the soil surface while filling in gaps that weeds would otherwise colonize. During hot seasons, that cooling effect actually matters for soil health and root development of surrounding plants. Where do you use Alyssum? In borders? Absolutely. In rock gardens? Definitely. As soft spillover near pavers, it's perfect. The fine texture and steady blooms add gentle movement and a clean, polished look to any space. It's one of those plants that makes everything around it look better. Plant it along pathways for that billowing edge that looks both planned and natural. Tuck it between stepping stones for unexpected fragrance and color. Weave it into mixed beds where white flowers can highlight and emphasize deeper colors around them. For gardeners in warm climates, Alyssum Snow Princess becomes a long-lasting weed-suppressing layer that actually replaces mulch with beauty and ease. This is definitely worth trying if you haven't. Share this recommendation with gardening friends. Let us know in the comments if you grow this plant and what you think of the fragrance.
Flowering ground cover number 6 is Creeping Phlox. Creeping Phlox brings a serious burst of spring color while acting as one of the most reliable living mulches you can plant. The dense, evergreen mats hug the soil incredibly tightly, creating this floral carpet that blocks sunlight from ever-reaching weed seeds. When this plant blooms, something magical happens. The entire plant disappears under clouds of flowers. We're talking pink, purple, blue, or white. You have color options. Problem areas that looked bare and neglected suddenly transform into effortless, showy ground cover that makes people stop and notice. Creeping Phlox excels in sunny, well-drained spots where other plants struggle. It spreads slowly but firmly, which means you get control over where it goes. It weaves into cracks, slopes, or rocky borders while staying low and tidy. You're not fighting with an aggressive plant. Because the foliage remains present year-round, it keeps the ground protected even outside the bloom season. That means ongoing weed suppression with almost zero maintenance from you. You plant it, and it works for years without complaining or demanding attention. In the landscape, Creeping Phlox is perfect for edging pathways where you want color instead of mulch. Trail it over retaining walls for visual interest. Soften the front of perennial borders with its colorful presence. Pair it beautifully with thyme, dianthus, and spring bulbs. You're bringing bright color and structure while replacing mulch naturally. Everything works together to create something cohesive and beautiful. It's one of the easiest flowering ground covers to grow and one of the most rewarding. New gardeners and experienced gardeners both have success with Creeping Phlox. If you're building confidence as a gardener, this is one to plant early.
Flowering ground cover number 7, Creeping Thyme, a fragrant, sun-loving ground cover that carpets soil with tiny leaves and soft pastel blooms. This plant stays low, spreads neatly, and creates that dense living mulch that smothers weed seedlings before they even think about sprouting. When Creeping Thyme blooms, something beautiful happens. The entire surface transforms into a bee magnet carpet. Pollinators absolutely love it. Even ordinary pathways or borders suddenly look charming and intentional because of all the activity and color. Here's what makes thyme special. It thrives in exactly the opposite conditions that weeds prefer. It loves full sun, it tolerates poor soil, it actually prefers dry conditions. Weeds hate all of that. So you're planting something that actively outcompetes weeds in the exact spots where weeds love to grow. The tight mat of foliage hugs the ground so closely that sunlight literally never reaches the soil underneath. That dramatically reduces weed pressure without needing bark mulch at all. This is the real solution to the weeding problem. Thyme is also tough enough to handle foot traffic, which is valuable if you're planting between stepping stones or along walkway edges. You can actually walk on it without killing the plant. Try that with mulch. It just compresses and creates a mess. In the landscape, creeping thyme shines as a vibrant layer of color along front borders, in rock gardens, along flagstone paths, or on sunny slopes where mulch often washes away. Use it to replace traditional mulch around drought-tolerant perennials. Mass-planted for a meadow-like effect. Let it spill gently over edges for that soft, natural finish that looks like it happened naturally. With its scent, durability, and weed-stopping power, creeping thyme earns its spot as one of the most versatile flowering ground covers you can grow. Crush a leaf and smell it, you're growing something that's beautiful and useful.
Combining ground covers for maximum impact. Here's something important that deserves its own section. You don't have to choose just one ground cover. Some of the best gardens combine 2 or 3 different options to create layers, textures, and staggered blooming times. Imagine combining tiny rubies with creeping thyme. You get pink flowers on one plant, purple blooms on another, both keeping weeds completely under control. Or layer Georgia blue with snow princess for blue and white contrast that changes through the season. The key is understanding that these plants work together without competing. They're not fighting for the same space or resources. Instead, they're creating this sophisticated tapestry where each plant contributes something different to the overall effect. So here's what we've covered today. 7 different flowering ground covers that do way more than just decorate your garden. They protect the soil. They smother weeds naturally. They replace traditional mulch with something far more beautiful and functional. Whether you need toughness, consistent color, or a low-maintenance way to keep your beds clean and weed-free, these living mulches deliver season after season. You're investing in plants that work for you, not against you. If you found a new favorite today, and I hope you did, let me know in the comments below. Tell us which one you're most excited to try and why. Do you love fragrance, blue flowers, quick coverage? Share your preference because your experience helps other gardeners decide what's right for their gardens. Please subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice for more plant-smart ideas that make gardening easier and more rewarding. We create new content constantly about ground covers, perennials, shrubs, and everything that makes gardens beautiful without requiring endless work. Share this video with gardening friends who are tired of weeding. Post it on social media. Forward it to family members who spend their weekends fighting with mulch and weeds. Give this video a like if you found it helpful. That tells us to create more content like this, and it helps other gardeners discover these amazing plants. Your garden can be beautiful and easy. These 7 flowering ground covers prove it. Stop fighting with weeds and start growing something that actually works for you. Thanks for watching Seniors Gardening Advice, and happy gardening!